Here Giant, and I built a Lego City mock private helicopter. Didn't took long to build. This is like this is like 15-minute build. I just start picking up parts and build really. I always build. I wanted to build out of them skids, so I went for kind of like a big helicopter. The blades spin really nice, so the tail spins good as well. Number 5 helicopter. This is for like VIP, most likely. You could take the thing off it. You can see a pilot in here, and then we can hold up 2 minifigures. 3 minifigures actually, including the pilot. I just love spinning this. If you can see behind this, I'm gonna try and take it off so you guys can see. This is the engine. So it's easy, simple thing to build, and it goes right here. I rather city sets more than Star Wars or Lego Chima. I don't really like things like that. Lego set I want next, probably like Batman. So yeah. So that's the end of my video. Hope you like it. It's like a small video anyway, because it's a small thing. It's gonna take quick. Actually, I got another I don't like engine something up here. So yeah, see you again next time real soon. Hope you enjoy this video. Comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. So yeah, see you again next time real soon. Bye for now.